We are at the dawn of new beginnings, new journeys, new opportunities, and new challenges. As newer questions about our future emerge, we rise to push the boundaries of what's possible. 10 ASEAN countries, 5 skill categories, and 1 arena to uncover the top talents who will reshape our imagination and our future. This is a journey of grit, skill, and excellence, where the best minds challenge one another to redefine the notion of success, and skills are tested to defy limits and unveil the true potential of our future. It's time to blaze trails where none other has set their paths before. It's time to ignite possibilities by challenging the status quo. It's time to surpass expectations and craft our legacy. Let's show the world the great horizon that awaits. Let our relentless vigor set the stage today for what's possible tomorrow. Let us be the champion of our unique roots as we stand united to scale even greater heights. Welcome to WorldSkills ASEAN 2023. Our skills, our future, our ASEAN.